Jamaican herbs and plants have long been revered for their potent medicinal and culinary properties, renowned globally for their higher concentrations of active compounds due to Jamaica's rich soil and tropical climate. This unique quality has caught the attention of international markets, leading to a surge in demand over the past decade for Jamaican-grown herbs and spices. With prices averaging between $1 and $10 US per ounce, Jamaican herbs have become a lucrative agricultural product on the global stage. As a result, many local farmers and producers are now tapping into the export market, reaping substantial returns through online platforms that connect them directly to consumers worldwide. Growing and selling these valuable herbs is not only an opportunity for established farmers, but also for individuals looking to enter this thriving market. By cultivating the right plants, even small-scale growers can benefit from the rising demand. If you're considering starting a herb-growing venture, Jamaican plants offer a profitable niche with a consistent demand. Here, we explore the top 10 most valuable Jamaican herbs currently making waves internationally, each with unique qualities that make it sought after and potentially rewarding to cultivate and sell. Let's dive into the herbs that can transform your garden into a thriving business. Starting off our list is Bizzy, also known as the cola nut, a staple in Jamaican herbal remedies and one of the island's most prized plants. Bizzy has a deep-rooted reputation in Jamaica, valued not only as a flavorful tea, but also as a potent antidote for various poisons, making it a staple in Jamaican households. For generations, Jamaicans have turned to Bizzy for relief from headaches, nausea, menstrual cramps, and indigestion. Its versatility as a remedy has solidified its role in Jamaican folk medicine and garnered international interest. Priced around $2 per ounce, Bizzy may appear modestly priced, but its therapeutic benefits and growing demand contribute to its high market value. The herb is widely sought for its effectiveness in treating gout, rheumatism, jaundice, and digestive issues. Additionally, Bizzy is prized for its energy-boosting properties due to its natural caffeine content, acting as a gentle stimulant to fight fatigue. This multifunctional herb holds appeal for a broad range of health-conscious consumers, driving demand and making it a profitable option for growers looking to tap into the herbal medicine market. Next on our list is Eucalyptus Oil, a potent and versatile remedy that holds a premium price of around $6 per ounce. Extracted from the eucalyptus plant, this oil is revered both in Jamaican traditional medicine and internationally, largely due to its analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antibacterial properties. In Jamaica, eucalyptus oil has become a go-to remedy for addressing a range of health issues, from respiratory problems to muscle aches and skin infections. One of the oil's most popular uses is in aromatherapy, where its invigorating scent helps to clear nasal passages and ease breathing, making it ideal for treating colds, congestion, and sinus discomfort. Additionally, eucalyptus oil is commonly applied to sore muscles and joints for its pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. Its antiviral and immune-boosting properties are also widely recognised, making it a favourite among those seeking natural ways to ward off illnesses. With its diverse therapeutic applications and growing demand globally, eucalyptus oil is a valuable product in both wellness and herbal markets, offering Jamaican growers a profitable opportunity. Garlic. Moving on to a household favourite, garlic. Priced around $2 per ounce, garlic isn't just a kitchen staple, it's also a medicinal powerhouse. Garlic has strong antioxidant qualities, making it effective for high blood pressure, immune support, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Garlic may even help prevent Alzheimer's and improve bone health, giving it a strong reputation in both culinary and medicinal uses worldwide. Another herb with legendary status in Jamaican culture is ginger, priced around $1 per fluid ounce. While ginger is often used as a culinary ingredient, its health benefits cannot be overstated. In Jamaica, ginger tea or ginger beer is a popular drink for an upset stomach, indigestion, and nausea. But that's not all. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and anti-infection properties, can help with menstrual pain, and may even assist in blood sugar control. Guinea hen weed. Another powerful Jamaican herb on our list is guinea hen weed, valued at around $4.25 per ounce. Known for its potent medicinal qualities, this herb has become a staple in Jamaican traditional medicine, widely recognized for supporting prostate health, managing fibroids, and even showing potential as a complementary treatment for certain cancers. The herb's extensive uses have earned it a reputation as a super herb, making it highly sought after both locally and internationally. One popular way to use guinea hen weed is to soak it in alcohol, creating a topical solution that can be applied to the head for quick headache relief. Its applications extend even further. When brewed into a tea, guinea hen weed is commonly used to help with respiratory conditions like asthma, as well as epilepsy, high blood pressure, and digestive issues. Its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties make it an essential remedy in many Jamaican households, and its demand continues to grow in natural health markets worldwide. This versatile herb offers tremendous value, providing both health benefits and economic potential for growers. Moringa, also known as the miracle tree. Almost every part of the moringa plant is valuable, from its leaves to its seeds. Moringa is packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and protein. It's used for anemia, skin infections, body pain, bowel disorders, and more. With all these benefits, it's easy to see why moringa is so highly valued at $2 per ounce. Noni fruit is infamous for its pungent smell and taste, but despite that, it's a favourite among health enthusiasts. At about $1 per fluid ounce, noni juice is known for its high vitamin C and A content, along with niacin and iron. People drink noni juice to help with arthritis, hypertension, and diabetes, and it's even thought to support heart health. If you can handle the taste, the benefits make it worthwhile. Search Me Heart. Next on our list is Search Me Heart, a lesser-known but highly valued Jamaican herb priced at $10 per ounce. This herb has a long-standing reputation in Jamaican folk medicine, particularly valued for relieving cold symptoms, chest pains, and digestive discomfort. Traditionally, Jamaicans have brewed it into a tea or used it as a natural remedy to support respiratory and digestive health, making it a trusted go-to for generations. The name Search Me Heart speaks to the herb's perceived ability to search and alleviate internal ailments with its mild, soothing effects on the body. This herb's versatility and potency have made it increasingly popular among those seeking natural solutions, both in Jamaica and abroad. With its high market value, Search Me Heart is a promising option for those looking to invest in cultivating beneficial in-demand herbs. Soursop leaves are another highly prized Jamaican herb, valued at around $11 per ounce, largely due to their reputation for medicinal benefits, including potential cancer-fighting properties. Soursop itself is a beloved fruit in Jamaica, but the leaves have gained just as much attention for their therapeutic applications. When steeped in hot water, soursop leaves create a soothing tea that is widely consumed in Jamaica for managing conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, nerve issues, and insomnia. The tea made from soursop leaves has long been a go-to remedy in Jamaican households, appreciated for its calming effects and health-supporting properties. Jamaicans also turn to soursop tea for its ability to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality, making it a natural solution for those struggling with insomnia. With increasing global interest in plant-based treatments, soursop leaves have become a sought-after product in natural health markets worldwide. For growers, this herb offers both high demand and impressive health benefits, providing an excellent opportunity to tap into a profitable market with a product deeply rooted in Jamaican culture and wellness practices. Jamaican Castor Oil. Rounding out our list is Jamaican Castor Oil, valued at $4 per ounce. Though castor oil is popular globally, Jamaican castor oil has a unique place in health and beauty routines, particularly for hair growth and scalp health. Jamaican castor oil is often used to strengthen hair, promote growth, and moisturize skin. It's also considered beneficial for joint pain, constipation, and other ailments. So, there you have it. The 10 most expensive Jamaican herbs, each packed with unique health benefits. You can choose from our list and start farming. If you enjoyed learning about these herbs, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on natural remedies, cultural insights, and health tips from around the world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.